My name is Avery. Now today, Cedra, what's your name? Today we're going to do an awesome experiment. It's called the volcano. And it's actually amazing. So we get to get your safety glasses for the volcano. We need a volcano and vinegar and baking soda. I put this bowl right here for don't get messy everywhere. If you don't have this volcano, you can use a cup instead. So we have a spoon full of baking soda and we go put in this volcano. So while we put the vinegar in the volcano, whoa! We can add food coloring to our volcano. What color should I use? Green or red? I'm going to go with the red. I'm going to use a couple drops. Now we can mix it together. This is going to be amazing. See what's going to happen if we add vinegar. This side too. Wow! This is so amazing, guys. It can wet all over this. That was pretty awesome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now.